I can tell you though, with Malaysians, I speak for myself as I'm one, we'll just say, "Hiya, so stressful lah."
We get it.
Why are this tax lah here and there, tax. As I was saying, my father bought a property in Australia some years ago, about 3 years ago, and he's being very laissez-faire about getting a tax file number and even doing any record keeping. What would you advise him to do?
I'd advise him to get his records together right now, make sure that he's got a tax file number, and make sure that he's lodging returns up to the point that he goes for, has a sale. I think his circumstances are slightly different, but you're going to go back to the start anyway. That's what the ATO is all about. If anyone's dealt with overseas tax departments, they're basically the same here.
Australia is a very taxing country.
Compared to the rest of Asia, it is. I mean, we have a nominal GST, which is like the VAT or whatever the equivalent is elsewhere, but the income tax side is really onerous. A lot of countries don't have annual tax returns, so it's something here everyone in this country expects to have one and does one every year. Hence why I'm here.
Yeah, exactly. So, is there any way that is it this capital gains tax and all the income tax reporting and trying to get back withheld tax and all these things? Do you think it's actually worth it to just leave my withheld tax with the ATO and just forget about it and just,
Never.
Oh.
No. It's such a big lump of money, and you don't know, depending on the property. Some properties have made substantial gains over the years, some haven't. And some clients, once they've offset some of the losses, might find that there's very little capital gain. Most overseas residents are going to have a capital gain tax rate of about 30 cents on the dollar. If they've made 100 grand worth of capital gain, that's $30,000 worth of tax. That's $600,000 unit, but that's 90k tax withheld. There's $60,000 that's going to come back to your pocket. I don't think anyone wants to give away money like that.
Okay, so as a foreign investor, how do I get a tax file number?
Well, first of all, you probably need to contact us.
Okay, contact Dominic.
It's a very manual process, and it's not done through the internet or whatever else, and it means basically going to an embassy or a consulate in the country that you're in.
Sounds fun.
It should be. It's not fun.
I try to find the fun in everything, including getting a tax file number.
The first part of it's not fun, and then I think what we've discovered from our clients is it's quite onerous to get back to when you first bought a property and try to get all the paperwork together for that period.
Correct.
It's a pain in the backside.
Hi, I'm Dominic Murphy from TJD Accounting Services. We've been in the business of doing non-resident tax returns and overseas investors tax returns and financial advice here in Australia to handle the tax system for the last 40 years.